Essay writing on postman. Five lines on postman. 1. A postman is a government servant. 2. He works in a post office. 3. He wears uniform. 4. He has a bag on his shoulder. 5. He keeps all his letters and money orders in that bag. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Short essay on plants. Five lines on plants. 1. Plants play a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem of our planet. 2. They are the main source of food for the majority of species. 3. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants produce their food in the presence of sunlight. 4. Plants also provide us with medicine. 5. Plants hosts a large number of parasites and organisms. Five lines on Pakistan Army. 1. Pakistan Army was formed on August 14, 1947 after independence. 2. Our army is one of the best in the world. 3. The main task of our army is to defend the national security of Pakistan. 4. Pakistani army approximately consists of 700,000 soldiers. 5. Pakistan's army headquarters is in Rawalpindi. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.